slid and soft. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited. I'm going to be trying on ball gown dresses for the marine ball that's coming up. I'll make sure to take videos for you guys to see, but right now I need your help in picking the right dress for the function. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get to it. Okay guys, so I got 4 dresses in total, and I also got some jewelry as well, and I can't wait for you guys to see. So let's get to it. The first dress I have, I got it from ASOS. I paid about 125 to 135 euros, and I'll put the link down for you guys if you like the dress. Here's the package. It was very simply packed, but look at this dress guys. I love the color. It's kind of like a rose gold, because I was going for more feminine colors, a bit darker I think, but it's really nice. It goes well with my complexion. And the other thing I loved about this dress is that it has these buttons here. Look at this. They're so pretty on the back. And since I have, you know, a bigger chest up here, it's always nice for girls with bigger chests to buy like off-shoulder dresses, as they fit better. And so yeah, this is a dress I got, and this is a size this is a 12 US. So this is the first dress that I'm trying on from ASOS, and it is small guys. It has no stretch. It fits me everywhere but the bust area, which I'm very disappointed, but the second dress I got is from Macy's. As you can see the box, I paid 245 or 35 on this dress, and it's by Escape, the brand. So I really love this dress. It's really beautiful and elegant. It kind of has a vintage look to it. It's also an off-shoulder dress, as you can see. I love the detail here. It's really nice over here by the boobies. And the good part about it is it has like boning inside. It has boning structure inside, so it kind of helps you sush you up and kind of make your waistline thinner. And then in the back, on the back, it has this flaps like that. It's a really beautiful. And guys, guess what? It has pockets. I know, right? It has pockets on both sides, which is a cool feature. Okay guys, so this is dress number 2, and this is the dress. Guys, I am so in love with dress number 2. Look at it. It looks so elegant. I love the way it drops off my shoulders, and it's the one with the bone in here, and it keeping the girls up. Let me turn around. Oh my god, look at that. I love that it doesn't show the mommy belly, and I have, this is the slit over here, so I can, you know, show off if I want, but it is so nice. I feel like it goes so well with the jewelry as well. Look at this guys. Oh, and the pockets. Look at the pockets. Oh, this is beautiful. Look. I like this dress. I really love this dress. It is so beautiful, guys. Let me know what you think about this dress. And this is number 2 dress. So put in the comments which is your favorite dress, 1 or 2. And yeah, guys, I like this. I feel like a princess. This is so nice. One spin. One last spin. So the third dress I got it from this bridal shop here in Germany. This dress cost me 365 euros, which was a lot expensive than I planned to spend. But you know, desperate times calls for desperate measures. And this is the dress. It's a beautiful girly dress. I wanted something feminine. When I was looking for these dresses, when I was buying these dresses, I was going for a feminine look, cute, and you know, so elegant. So this is the dress, and look at the detail in this dress, guys. It has like a see-through lace here, and this embroidery here is really nice. These are like pearls, but in pink, or I don't know, marble pink, I don't know. And then in the back, it has a see-through as well, but with the details, the embroidery details, really nice. I love the lace. Look at that. It's a whole full dress. Look, it drops down very well, and I can't wait to try it on. Oh, okay guys, so this is dress number 4. This is dress number 4, the last dress. I really love it. Look at this, guys. Look at the embroidery in this dress. I'm wearing a black bra right now, but I'm going to switch it off to like a nude, the same color as my skin, but right now we're just trying on. And yeah, so this is the dress, guys. It's really beautiful. Let me show you the back. It's really pretty. I really love it. It goes well with the jewelry. On this dress, I really wouldn't wear the necklace. I'll just keep the watch and that and the earrings, you know, but this is so nice. Look at this. Don't I just look pretty? Oh my god, I really love it, guys. So let me know in the comments, guys, which dress you like the most, and then we'll go from there. I'll pick a dress at the end of the video, but still let me know which was your favorite dress. Okay guys, my last dress I got from Nordstrom, and guys, it's a really beautiful dress. It's this dress. Oh, I also got some shoes as well. So I also got some shoes that go with this dress. I got my shoes from Nordstrom as well. Oh, because I'm scratching. Okay guys, so this is the dress. This is my 4th dress that I bought from Nordstrom. It's also an off-shoulder dress, and it has a similar style, elegant. You know, it has this embroidery here, which I really like. It's really beautiful. Look at that. It's like a leaf. And then it has a slit in the front to show off some leg, and the material, guys, is so soft. This was $245, and it's a size 12. It's really beautiful. I love it, and I can't wait to try it on. So this is how the dress looks like, guys. I'll spin around. It has a slit over here and the embroidery here, so I love it. It looks really nice. It fits well. So, and then this is the back. So I really like it. And yeah, guys, let me know what you think. Do you like this dress? And lastly, guys, I have this fur coat that I bought from a Mango. It's really beautiful. Let me put it on. It's really nice and soft. I have one in nude, but this I bought, which I bought from Express a long time ago. But this is really nice, guys. Look, it's soft and it's nice and elegant glam. For the look that I'm going for, this will do. I really like it. It's a nice, it's a nice length. And it's a nice length, and I really love it. This was $135, and I got it for $119 with discount. So that was a good deal. Yes.